Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2012 Nissan X-Trail, stock number 6949. This ran from the 9th 2007 to the 12th 2013. Has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 1-speed automatic transmission. This is a QR25 DE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight needs polish. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight needs polish. Right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, back gear 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.